This question is about the product rule. If one event can occur in m number of ways and a second event can occur in n number of ways, the menu in a restaurant has starters, main courses and desserts. There are 6 starters, m number of main courses and d number of desserts. For a 2-course meal, you can choose either 1 starter and 1 main or 1 main course and 1 dessert. So there are 90 different ways to choose a starter and a main, and there are 240 different possible 2-course meals altogether. The question is to work out the value of d. This is a good and very popular GCSE exam style question. Please pause the video and try this one. And you can press play when you want to check the answer. Let's discuss this question. This question is about the product rule. Now the product rule says if one event can occur in m number of ways and a second event can occur in n number of ways, then the total number of possible outcomes is m times n. For a 2-course meal, you can choose either 1 starter and 1 main course. So it could be s times by m, and 1 main course and 1 dessert, so m times by d. But we already know that there are 6 starters, so I'm going to put 6 here. So we know we can have 6 times m number of ways of having a starter and a main course. What about a main course and a dessert? We don't know the main course, so let's leave it as m times d. There are 90 different ways to choose 1 starter and 1 main course. Oh, so that clearly tells me 6 times m is the same as 90. So this is easy to do. If 6m is 90, then obviously divide both sides by 6. These two gets cancelled out and I get m is equal to 15. So there are 15 different main courses available. Now let's look at the next part. There are 240 different possible 2-course meals altogether. Okay, so we know these two add up to 240. So how many different ways can we have a main course and a dessert? Obviously that's 240 take away 90. So this one here, we have 150 different ways, but we know that is m times d. But we already worked out that m is 15. So let's substitute 15 times d is 150. So obviously d must be 10.